What's good, Deanna Hoodie? Hey, y'all. Hey. So today, y'all, Little Deja about to be in the kitchen. Chef Baby D in the kitchen. And we about to make us some, what is it called?
Pizza bombs, I guess.
Pizza bombs. Let's go. And we got us some pepperoni. And we're going to be using the biscuits, la mozzarella, and some butter. And she's gonna be doing it in the air fryer. So watch us as we make our stuff and eat it, because we're gonna eat it. Here it goes. Chef Boya D in the building. Say hey.
Hi.
So she about to open up them biscuits. Let me step away from them a little bit. Just like that.
We should have pin roller. That would have been cool.
A pin roller, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get one. I'll roll them up like so. Well, flatten them out like so. I told you to open that before you got on.
It's so weird.
They just haven't been feeling too good, y'all. But there's something that she wanted to do. Let me do it. Oh, you got it? It's something that she wanted to do. So, yeah. She about to put some sauce on it. Like making pizza, of course. I should have made me one, too. I'll let me make it while you record me. Yeah.
That's enough sauce?
That's plenty sauce for mine. If that's mine, that's plenty sauce. Because, you know, I don't really like sauce like that. Sauce give me heartburn. I don't know about y'all. And now she about to go in with the mozzarella. Why does it keep saying it like that? Mozzarella. How you say it?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella. I keep saying mozzarella. Mozzarella. And then we about to get pepperoni. Some pepperoni. I like lots of pepperoni.
It's like, oh, little mini pizza.
Can you add some more cheese on top of that? Because I'm a cheesy type of girl.
Oops.
Yeah, that right there. Should have opened it up some more. And now she's going to
try to make this go together.
It's okay. Just fold it and push it and fold it. Yeah. That's it right there.
Ooh.
It's coming out the bottom. It's all right. Maybe you have to open it.
What? We're gonna use 2.
Yes. Just flatten it out real good. See, that's the thing. We gotta make sure it's flattened real good.
Yeah. Okay, this was an error, my bad.
It's not an error. We in trial and error. We doing something that we ain't never did before. So spread it. Just a little spoon. Just put your spoon in it. Don't put nothing on it though. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
You gonna put some more on the other side too?
Yeah, no, that side just. You want one more?
No, put some more. You good? We're gonna make it like a sandwich. Like a sandwich. Just make sure it's in there all the way. Flatten the bread. Good job. Yes.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay. Pull what can't stand and pull it on out. Oh, push it together.
Okay. That's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna actually try to do what I wanted to do since I messed that one up.
Flatten it out real good. Yeah. That's yours, so you can put how much you want on it.
See, I like saucy. I like it saucy, but not too saucy. I like it.
Okay. Whatever you like, dear.
I'm getting mad because I'm wasting cheese.
You ain't wasting it, but you're going to pick that up and put it right on top. Mm-hmm. You probably should get all your edges out first.
This is how it's supposed to be.
All right, put it down some. You keep going higher and
Sorry.
higher. That's how it's supposed to do. Let's stick it in the air fryer.
I was gonna add butter to it.
Huh? Oh, you gotta add your butter. That's right. Go ahead, do one more for me. I want a round one like him.
Okay,
And you want one like that, huh?
yeah.
Let's go. Work that hand. You gotta open it all the way up.
Next. Oh, we should do next.
That's yours.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You good. Just keep going.
I forgot.
Don't put none on the other side. You know how you did that one?
Sorry, because I'm trying to take some of that back. But okay.
You good. That ain't a whole lot.
That was a lot of cheese.
That's good cheese right there. I'm eating it over here, y'all.
Eating food. That's a shame, mother.
You can feel it all.
We should do a pizza night.
Come on. We can do whatever you want to do,
Talking
dear.
about, well, since we already got the stuff, and like we
Gonna
can
make our own pizzas?
Yeah.
Sounds
I'm gonna
good.
mushrooms.
I need one more piece of meat on them. Yeah, like so. Meaty, cheesy type girl. Just gotta make your ends touch, that's all. You got this. Chef Baby D. We got Chef Baby D in the building. So it close all the way up now.
Can't.
That's cool. That's cool right there. Let's sit them on down. And then you gotta make your next one. Whatever you're gonna do to it. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm.
The worst headache.
Mm-mm-mm. I did not turn off that fan. It's gonna be all in my video, but it's gonna be all right. It's a fan, y'all, making that noise in the background.
Yeah, because I sleep with a fan.
Kids, you love a fan.
You can't even.
I ain't gonna even lie, because I
your
love
fan.
my fan too. It could be cold outside. I'm gonna turn on that fan. Something about it, I don't know.
I'm addicted to it. I'm addicted to it. Hey, why did I just do that? Why did I do that?
Are they good by themselves like that? Just pepperoni. Okay. 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 So here I go.
Yeah, my mom's making one.
Trying to flatten it out. I'm gonna put my little sauce. This mine?
Yeah.
This is mine.
Well, I just put them in there. I don't know which one is which.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
It doesn't matter. They all really light sauce.
I don't know. I just don't want no heartburn. You feel me? All right, there's plenty. This is mine. Let's get some cheese on this thing.
That's
then.
a lot of cheese.
Let's get some cheese
You
on it.
have to fold that up. Remember?
I'm cool with folding. Let's get this cheese on it. See, I ain't even got none on that side over there. A little here, a little here.
You don't need all them pepperonis.
Well, they ain't, mama. This
That's
is-
mine.
Oh, that don't go.
No.
That don't go with this. So let me see.
That's why I said, don't remember. You gotta fold that.
I just gotta pick it up, and I'm gonna be all right. Stay where you at. I could just get a hold to it. You feel me, girl?
Yeah, I feel you.
That's already there. Get in there. You're still mighty and strong. I need you to be stuffed. A stuffed bomb, a piece of bomb.
They also use, I just realized, they use mozzarella sticks, not mozzarella cheese. And they use tiny, what is it called? Tiny pepperonis.
Oh well, we got big
well.
pepperoni and pepperoni cheese.
Shred-
I mean mozzarella,
They
shredded cheese. So it is what it is, and it's gonna be
What is going
what
to
it's
be?
gonna be.
Indeed, squirrel with it. Oops, I think I got it.
Trying to push my cheese in there.
Okay.
Boom. I'm eating a pepperoni right now, but soon as it get done, she gonna stick them in the air fryer. She gonna put some butter on top and put them in the air fryer. And I'm gonna show y'all the finishing product. You hear me? Chef Baby D in the building. That's all. I'm gonna get off of here. Y'all, look at that, look at that. It look like some little calzones, you know, that they be making. That looks some good. Let me see, Deja, open it up. See, yours don't look like, oh, they do have cheese in there. Ooh, I'm ready to eat, y'all. So, yeah. We are about to eat. She put some garlic and some parsley on there, so that's why it look like it looked. But yeah, I'm gonna say my grace, y'all, and I'm gonna eat. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Continue to watch all of our videos. Stay blessed. Tell God thank you. Hallelujah. Bye. Y'all check this out. Ooh. Ooh. Good.